this video we are going to look at how to prove the quadratic function is never negative. So let's say I give you an example here. Let's say I give you the quadratic function fx equals to 3x squared plus 16, no, 9. So my question is prove that fx is never negative. Right? How do we prove that? How to prove that? Okay, firstly we have the quadratic function, and we are going to prove that fx is never negative. It means that fx is never negative means fx is greater than 0, or we can say that fx is always positive. Okay, so if the quadratic function is always positive, it means the curve of this function will not touch or cut the x-axis. The curve should be like this. And how to prove that? We can't use the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. It is not allowed actually. Okay, so because we are going to prove, we have to use the algebraic method, algebraic approach, and without using any formula. We can't use any formula because we want to prove without the formula. If you want to prove something, we can't use any formula. So you are given the function fx equals to 3x squared plus 9. So I will start like this. Okay, so we know that x squared is greater or equals to 0, because when I put something negative 1 squared, it will be as positive 1. If I put negative 2 squared equals to positive 4. If I put 3 squared equals to 9. Let's say if I put 0 squared equals to 0. So it means if anything you square it, you will get any number, any square number, you will get a positive result. So it means x squared is greater or equals to 0. So now look at fx. fx is 3x squared plus 9. So we have x squared is greater or equals to 0. So 3x squared, it should be is greater or equals to 0. Okay, complete. Now there is plus 9, so we add them with 9 both sides. Okay, so we have 3x squared plus 9 is greater or equals to 9. It means it is greater than 0. So 3x squared plus 9 is greater than 0. We know that the function 3x squared plus 9 is fx. So we have to write it like this. Fx is greater than 0. So we just prove the statement that fx is never negative and always positive. So that's all from me. The proof that the quadratic function is never negative. Thank you.